Hello neighbors! Dealing with the loss of a loved one is never easy, and figuring out what to do with their house can feel overwhelming. But take a deep breath, you don't have to figure it out alone. This video is brought to you by Fair Deal Homebuyers. We're your local real estate investment company neighbors, and we're here to give you professional, easy-to-understand tips regarding selling your home and everything real estate. Just a quick note before we dive in. This video is for educational purposes only and isn't legal advice. Always consult with a licensed professional for your specific estate needs. First, let's talk about the starting line. How a house is sold depends entirely on the estate plan. If there's a will, that's called testate. The court appoints a personal representative. If there's no will, intestate, state law steps in to decide who inherits. Now, if the house was put into a revocable living trust, great news, it completely bypasses probate. And for marital property, if the deed says survivorship, it goes straight to the surviving spouse. If you do have to go through probate, you'll face one of two paths. Informal administration is the fastest and most common. If all heirs agree, you get the authority to sell the house without the court breathing down your neck. Formal administration happens if heirs disagree or there are debt issues. It's highly restricted. You'll need newspaper ads, strict appraisals, and the house might even be subject to a courthouse auction. So, what are the actual steps? It's a bit of a journey. First, the court grants you domiciliary letters. This is your golden ticket to legally sell the house. Next, you must order a professional appraisal for the date of death value. Then comes the waiting game. You must notify creditors and wait 3 to 4 months for them to make claims. You can sell during this time, but the money is locked up. Finally, you close the sale, pay off debts, and distribute the remaining cash. Here's the reality. Selling a probate house on the traditional retail market can take 9 to 18 months. Retail buyers demand repairs, and their bank financing often falls through if the house is outdated. But there is an easier way. Selling to a professional cash investment firm like Fair Deal Homebuyers offers massive advantages. We buy in cash, meaning no appraisals or loan denials to delay your closing. We make a true as-is purchase. That means you don't have to clean out the property or fix a leaky roof. We handle the rest. You leave what you don't want. Most importantly, we stop the financial bleed. We stop the financial bleed of paying vacant property insurance and taxes by closing in as little as 7 to 14 days. Probate is a complex process, but selling the real estate doesn't have to be. As your neighbors, we're here to help you convert a stressful liability into secure cash for your family. Reach out to Fair Deal Homebuyers today for a friendly, no-obligation conversation. We make selling easy so you can start fresh. Fair Deal Homebuyers. Visit us at www.fairdealhomebuyers.com or call us at 414-409-8251.